Hello everyone. So this video, EFT tapping for the shoulders. Okay, so sometimes we get tightness in the, upper back. So you can even make it for the upper back and direct that energy, especially if you were taught this in EFT tapping, as I'm teaching you now, or if you practice Reiki, you know that you can send that energy, or medical Qigong, you can send that energy in your body, even if you're tapping here and your hand is not flexible enough to reach back to the spot. You can even, rub your thumb, there, or just, use the back of your hand and kind of tap, but you can send the energy just by tapping like this or here. So if you have tightness in your upper back, the scapula area, tightness in the shoulders, then this is really a great practice for you. It's good to rub the hands together to balance the left and right side of the brain and to tune into your practice, meaning letting go of what you just did before you sat down. Okay, get my little rose quartz, a little rub. Okay, so you just rub the hands together, and what you want to do is take 3 deep inhales and exhales. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And just grounding the body, feet to the ground, and just relax. So we want to tap for the shoulders. So you can switch the hands out for each side, even if, say, this is the side that is tight. Right here, we can switch the hands out, okay? So let's get started. Even though I'm feeling this pain in my shoulders, I truly love, honor, and respect myself and believe in my EFT tapping as I relax my body and mind. So you can repeat that in the best way you can. Even though my shoulder is feeling tense, tension, and pain, I truly love, honor, and respect myself. I know that this EFT tapping will work because I'm relaxing my mind and my body. Even though my shoulder has tension, tightness, or pain, I truly love, honor, and respect myself. And I know this EFT tapping will help soothe this tension. So if you stretched already, let's start tapping. And just tap on this area of the body. Inhale, exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, relax. Switching to the other side that is not giving you tightness or tension. So starting with the side that gives you that tension. Maybe you can hear my bracelets tapping away. So just tap, and then go back to the part that is tight. And go to the meaty part at the back of your shoulder. I'm going to do the ah sound like you're relaxing. Inhale. I teach this in my yoga class, so knee stretch. Inhale. Inhale. The other side. Inhale. Relax the shoulders and the body on the ah sound. Inhale the shoulders up, exhale, roll them back and down. Keep doing that. All right, it works. Even though my shoulder has tightness, tension, and sometimes pain, I truly love, honor, and respect myself. I'm easing my mind. I have already stretched and gently done different movements and motions to release the tension. I had a massage, and I know that I need to stretch daily, especially after the massage, to keep that flexibility, to keep that alignment, to keep that therapeutic adjustment. I choose to relax my body. I choose to relax my shoulder. I choose to relax my shoulders, both of them. I choose to tap gently and remember not to do this at force. My body responds to ease and not force. My body responds to ease and not force. My body responds to ease and not force. I feel my shoulder relaxing. I'm gently tapping on the muscle on my shoulder. My mind is powerful. I choose to relax. My mind is powerful. I choose to stretch whenever I need to during the day. I stretch my shoulders in the morning. I gently stretch my shoulders at lunchtime. I stretch my entire body before I go to bed. I stretch in the morning. I gently stretch at lunchtime. I stretch my entire body at night before bed. I stretch my shoulder in the morning. I stretch my shoulder gently at lunchtime. I stretch my entire body at bedtime. Over time, my shoulder will relax and this tension will lessen. And I know for some of you guys this is the case. I will continue to make this my regular practice because I love myself, because I care about myself, because I'm in the physical world. This requires action. In mind, body, and spirit. I love myself. I care for myself. I do good things for myself. In mind, body, and spirit. And you can tap those same words on the other side, so let's do that. I love myself. I care about myself. I do good things to myself in mind, body, and spirit. Rub the hands together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Relax. And you can roll the shoulders as well. Exhale to the shoulder. Inhale, center, nice and slow. Exhale to the opposite shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, squeeze all the way up. Exhale, roll it back and down. Inhale, squeeze all the way up. Exhale, roll it back and down. Inhale, squeeze all the way up. Exhale, roll it back and down. Thank you guys for watching. Click like, share the video with someone you feel that it would help. definitely subscribe, hit the notification button. Happy Friday, happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys next time.